right, guys, Brian Meara here, and this is a very quick compensation plan overview. Step number one, you need to be active. You have to be active with that 140 points. Easiest way, just be on auto ship or have 2 retail customers. That's 200 points. You're over your 140, and guess what? Congratulations, you're active. That's it. It's that simple. Let's talk about getting customers. Guys, when you get customers, here's how you're paid. If they buy the gel for $169.99 from your affiliate link, you're going to make $45. If they become a preferred customer, every month they reorder the product. You make $25. It goes up to $35 a gel when you have 20 customers. Some point soon, we will be reintroducing the commercial program. That's the first way you get paid. You're a distributor. You have a retail customer. Here's the different ways you can have your customers. All right, let's move on. You know, let's talk goals for a minute. You want to become what's known as a promoter, okay? That means that you're qualified. It means that number one, you're active, and secondly, you need to bring in 2 people. You want to put one on your left and one on your right. You are known as a promoter. This unlocks the comp plan and obviously unlocks different ways for you to get paid. So make it your goal. This is what you need to get to yesterday. Next, every time you bring somebody onto your team, people have 3 choices. They get a 1-pack, you make 20 bucks. That's called a tab bonus, or a team acquisition bonus. We do have the 4-packs available now as well. You're gonna get a $60 bonus. When you sign somebody up and they get that 8-pack, the $8.99, you get a $120 bonus. Now you do, once again, you'll see the disclaimer, you have to be active with that 140 points. Easiest way, just be on auto ship or have 2 retail customers. You're gonna qualify for the second way to get paid, which is building your team. Every time a new one comes on, it's a one-time bonus, right? Just when they come on, but that's called the tab, the team acquisition bonus. Next, there's 2 different types of compensation plans in the network marketing, in direct sales world. There's what's called a unilevel, and there's what's called a binary. Binary meaning 2, okay? Now, what's unique about this compensation plan is that it's a hybrid. We have aspects of a unilevel compensation plan, and we have aspects of a binary. So you're getting paid in numerous different ways. It's a true hybrid. Now, let's talk about a binary. What does this mean? You can bring in as many people as you want, personally, but they must be placed down one of 2 legs. That's it. That's what a binary means. Next, that's you, all right? Watch this. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, there's 6 people that you personally brought in. So this visual right here represents the 6 people that you personally referred, but you're simply putting them down your left leg or your right leg. Once again, that's what a binary is. Next is the third way to get paid. This is called team commissions. And the easiest way to break this down is this. You're going to have your left leg. You're going to have your right leg. One leg, obviously, will always be bigger than the other one. So when you hear people talking about your greater volume leg, it's like the word sounds. It's the leg that has more volume, the greater volume leg. You're going to have a lesser volume leg. That's, once again, as it sounds, the leg that you have that has lesser volume. So what happens is on your greater volume leg, every time there's 600 points, and this is calculated weekly, by the way, every time there's 600 points, which if you divide that by 140, it's about 5 people. And every time on your lesser, weaker volume leg, you have 400 points, which is about 3 people, right? It cycles. If you're a promoter or a coordinator, every time there is a 600 and a 400, it cycles, pays out $40. So if you have 6,000 points over here, if you have 4,000 points over here, that's 10 cycles. What is that? Well, that's 4 times 10, 40 times 10, that's $400 per week, okay? So you'll see this is a very rich compensation plan. But I can tell you what excited me. Look at this point down here, maximum cycle payout. The maximum is you can only have 417 cycles per week, only. Well, that's going to pay you $25,020 per week on this one payout. I mentioned the word coordinator before. It's what you become after a promoter. Well, let's talk about how you become a coordinator. It's really quite simple. Once again, you're active. You have your 140 points. Now, you need to have 4 people that you personally brought in. You put 2 on your left and 2 on your right. And when you have 5,000 points, on that lesser volume leg, that's the one you're paid on, when they calculate the volume for that 5,000, it's not on a month-to-month basis. It's the last 5 weeks combined. What does that mean? Well, if you do the math, divide 5,000 by 140 guys, it's about 36 people. If you had 36 people ordering a bottle on auto ship, congratulations, you're a coordinator, okay? The next step is how to become a coach. You need to have 280 points of personal volume, okay? Point number 2, qualification parameter, is you got to have 6 personal legs that you brought in. That means you personally brought in 6 people. You simply put 3 on your left and you put 3 on your right, okay? The combined volume, the total volume, again, over 5 weeks, on your lesser volume leg, has to be 10,000. Well, that's double coordinator. What does that mean? It's 72 people. Coach is a significant thing to become. Guys, there's so many comp plans out there I'm starting to understand as I'm really learning about this industry, and where you need thousands of people and hundreds of people to make any significant money. 72 people, and you're a coach? That's a significant amount of money, and then they give you a car bonus. Then they give you $700 a month to go lease a luxury car of your choice. Now, they don't give it to you the first month. You got to maintain it for 2 months, and then the third month you start getting the bonus because they want to make sure you maintain the volume. Makes sense to me, right? And this is a very significant level to achieve because it unlocks the final 2 components of the comp plan, ways number 4 and 5 to get paid. So let's get into it. You're going to get a coaching bonus. Remember we talked about that team acquisition bonus? Well, as a coach, you're going to get a percentage of the people that buy wholesale and have the ability to refer others. Let me give you an example. My sister, now I'm a coach now, and my sister signs up her friend Melissa, who comes in with a 4-pack. Well, my sister just made $60 for her tab bonus, her team acquisition bonus. Well, if I'm a coach, I made 20% of that. I just made $12. The company isn't taking away from them. They're getting their check, what they deserved, what they earned, but they're saying, hey, you know what? You helped them get there. Let's give you a little cut too. Doesn't sound like a lot, but do the math through your left leg and your right leg and your entire organization, and it adds up. The coaching bonus could be very significant, guys. Now, the 5th and final way that you get paid is one of the most amazing things that you didn't know exist, or maybe you still don't understand it. It's called check match, matching bonus. When you're a coordinator, you're getting 10% on the first line. What's that mean? First level. Everybody you brought in, when they get a check, you're getting a check match of 10% of whatever they made. When you're a coach, you're getting 15% on that first level, and you're getting 10% of whoever they brought in, level 2. And it goes all the way down that when you're a diamond ambassador, you're getting paid 7 levels deep. Check match. Guys, it's significant. It's absolutely significant. And the fact that I'm now a diamond ambassador and I'm actually seeing what this means financially on a weekly basis, it's incredible. It doesn't seem real. It's that exciting, okay? The bigger you rank, the more you get, the more levels it goes deep. That's it. That's it. Guys, this is the comp plan. These are the 5 ways to get paid. If any of this didn't make sense, and you may need to watch it again, but I tried making it as down to earth and as simple as possible, please watch this again. Because once you grasp this, once you really let this sink in, you're going to get excited. You're going to realize that this is an opportunity unlike anything you've ever seen. Now, what is your why? This is my last slide for a reason. You know, we have the product. We know it works. We know the phenomenal things that it can do for someone, what it's done for me, what it's probably done for you. Check out our Facebook pages. This is a given. It's not a problem. 97% reorder rate. It works. Now you've seen how to get paid. But here's the challenge. Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you interested in the business? You know, what are you doing right now that you need more? What is not working in your life? You got a business. You got 2 businesses. Maybe you have a job and a business on the side. Maybe you're unemployed watching this. I don't know who you are, and I don't know what you're currently doing, but I know this. If you're watching this, there's a reason. You want something more, and you just don't know what it is, and you've been searching for something, or maybe haphazardly you came across something or someone referred you to get on the gel, and now you're watching this, and you're not even with us yet. And I don't care if you're watching this as a prospect, you're considering getting involved in our company and joining and giving this a shot, or if you've been with us for a few months. Now, I can't say you've been with us for years because the whole company's only 9 months old. But regardless of who you are, here's what you need to think about as I close this video. Why? Really think about that. What are you looking for? Do you want to just refer a few people and make an extra $140 a month and get your gel for free and feel phenomenal and look better and have more energy than you've ever had in your life? Wonderful. Welcome. Do you want to make a few $100 a month, a few thousand a month and pay off some debt? Take away some of the stress from your life? Get those credit cards finally paid off? Awesome. Great. We'll help you. Do you want to treat this like the 7-figure opportunity that it is and know that you've put yourself in front of a trend that is absolutely going viral, that has a profit potential and an upside unlike anything I've ever seen in my life? And you've been looking for a score. You've been looking for a way to have a home run. You were looking for that Apple stock first stage. You were looking for the launch of Bitcoin. You missed that. Don't miss this. Guys, I hope this helps. Get back to the person who invited you here if you're a guest. Guys, if you're already with us, you know what to do. Now get out there and do it. Until the next time, this is Brian Meara. I'll talk to you soon.